Good morning, students. In this video I will be covering up the tutorial for how you will be giving the weekly test. So this is I'm showing you in your mobile platform. Okay, so this is my mobile screen, how your mobile screen looks like. So now I will just scroll down. Now can you just see the weekly test? I will just click annotate button so that you can see it. See, this is your weekly test button. Okay, you can check the chapter name, you can check the class and section, you can check the teacher name in remaining seconds, how much when the when this exam will start. Okay, and you can check the date also, timing also. So now again I will click on this part. So this is how you enter the test. Okay, now can you see this one? This is your test. Today is 21. Okay, so the date will be there, the timing will be there. Okay, right now it is the timing is 11:35 and in my system it is 11:33. Okay, so that's so exactly around 11:35 a.m. this test will start. Okay, so we have to wait for 2 minutes, I believe. Okay, exactly at 11:35 this exam will start. Now for my backend I am just showing you to just one minute. I'm just showing you how to start. Okay, from my backend I am starting the test right now. This is just an example. So exactly at your 11:35 a.m. this test will start. So I will just at 11:35 you have to refresh the page. How you will refresh? In this manner you will refresh the page. Okay, and you can see now you have to click here, take test. Okay, then you will enter to the test. So I will click. So as I clicked, a page has appeared. See, this blue page has appeared, but as this is a mobile screen, it's not, you are unable to see the full picture of it. So what you have to do, you have to click on this three dots where I have circled. Okay, you have to click here and you have to enable the desktop site mode. So you have to click. Now can you see desktop site mode, desktop site? You have to tick in this box. Okay, so as you tick on this box, this is the screen. Okay, so it will go one step back and again you will click on the take test button. So again I have clicked on take test. See, now you can check, this is two questions are there, 5-minute time is there, and you have to click on start test. So without further delay I am clicking on start test. Okay, so as I clicked on start test, you can see the remaining time to attempt this question, this particular question, and this is the remaining time. A timer is running for your full paper. This is how many questions are there. There are two questions which I am showing you. In your case the teachers might assign you 10 questions or 20 questions. It totally depends upon teacher. Okay, and this is right, this question is an example of a MCQ type. Okay, so MCQ, a student has just only click on that topic, the right answer. They just have to choose the right option. Okay, so I will click on the right option. I will read the question and I have just ticked. So as I ticked, it has taken. Can you see it has taken blue? So that it has been selected, and then you have to click on this next button. Okay, so if you don't enable your desktop site, you won't be able to see this next. Okay, so you have to click next. Okay, if the timer runs away, okay, see right now as the timer is running 1.21, 1.1 minute, 18 seconds is left, 1 minute. If the timer runs away and you are unable to press the next button, then you won't be able to attempt this question anymore. Okay, you just have to move on. You have to move on to next question. So please give your answer in this stipulated time only. And you can also check how many marks are there. Can you see mm means maximum marks. Okay, so I have just selected the answer and I will click next. So when I click next, okay, I have entered into the next question. Again, next question has a timer, okay, which is running. So you have to attempt. And this is an example of a subjective type question which I am showing you. Okay, in subjective type question, you can type here with your keyboard, mobile keyboard, or else you have another option. You can write in your copy and you can upload a picture also. But picture should be in the format of PNG, JPG, and JPEG only. You cannot upload PDF or doc file. Please remember that. And the maximum size of your file should be size should be 5 MB only. The picture size, if it is more than 5 MB, it will not upload. Okay, so without wasting further time, I'm just showing you how to type. So this is how I will write my answer. I'm just writing demo answer. Okay, you can type also, or else you can upload a picture from this button. Okay, so again I am clicking on upload file. Now you have option of camera, okay, or you have a option of video, okay, but video size will be very high. Okay, so I suggest you to select camera button only. Okay, to just click, you can write in your copy and just click a picture of it. So I'm just clicking a picture of it right now. See, I'm just taking an example. This is my question which I have written, okay, and I will click a picture. So as I click a picture, can you see a tick button? Okay, so that I have to tick. Okay, so I will click tick, right button. Now can you see the picture has been uploaded? Okay, now you just have to please be very careful with the timer running, which is the timer. I will just show you what is the time remaining to attempt this question. It's 37 seconds. So you have to end the test in that. You have to go to the next question. So be careful with the timer. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to attempt this question, and this question won't be uploaded to for evaluation. Now, as I have assigned only 2 questions, can you see? So I am just, after you have attempted all the questions, you have to click on this end test button. I am clicking on end test button. Okay, if you don't click in the stipulated time, then it will not submit. Now it will ask you, are you sure? So you click OK. This is your weekly test summary. Okay, you have to click yes again. Okay, so I have clicked yes again. It is uploading right now because the file picture which you have uploaded, okay, so it takes little time. See, it's uploaded. Okay, now can you see I have under evaluation? If you have submitted, it will show under evaluation. If you have not attempted this test, then it will be written not attempted. Okay, so you have to remember that. Now it's your teacher's duty to check it. Okay, so after teachers has evaluated, you will find a file under evaluation. This page, it will be showing as view analysis button. Okay, so can you see view analysis? I have just corrected the previous paper which I have assigned. Okay, just I am showing you how it will be showing. See, this paper has been the teacher has evaluated it, so it's showing view analysis. Okay, so I will click here. I can check by marks what I have got. So I have given one correct answer, one wrong answer. Okay, so that's why the score is like this. Okay, even it will show the time taken by you. Even it will show you how much answer speed it was, at what time to attempt each question. Okay, even you can see answer key if you want to check the answers. Okay, why my answers were wrong and what teacher has commented. So for that I will click on answer key. So as I click on answer key, okay, you can see correct answer is 1 and incorrect answer 1. Okay, objective questions will be automatically evaluated in real time and you will get this report card immediately. But if it is a subjective type, then unless and until your teachers evaluate it, it will not show view analysis. Okay, so I'm just, my objective answer was right. I will just show you my subjective one. See, in subjective one, this was the question which a teacher has wrote and he or she has uploaded. Okay, your answer which you have written in text format, can you see demo answer? Yes, so this is your answer which you have typed. If you have uploaded a picture, it will show you as a view answer. Can you see a blue button here, view answer. This is your uploaded picture which you have uploaded. Okay, I will show you that also. See, when I click here, see, this is the answer which I have taken a picture. So teachers will be reading it and they will just give you marks on that part. Okay, so again I am crossing at this part. Now the correct answer is been given by teacher also. See, this is the correct answer which teacher has given. This is the, she was expecting this question, this answer from this question. Okay, even teacher comment you can see, even you can see subject name, even you can see chapter name, your time to attempt this question, everything, and maximum marks. Okay, as teacher, as my answer was wrong in this, the teacher has given me 0 marks. Okay, so this is how you will be attempting it. Some of the key points which you have to remember is that your mobile charge should be full, you should have a steady internet. Okay, if suppose in between the test there were 10 question, example I am giving, if there were 10 question in a test and you were attempting it, in between internet has gone. Okay, suppose you attempted 2 question and suddenly internet went down, in that, if that paper is for 30 minutes, in that 30 minutes if you join again, there will be resume button from where you have left. If that 30-minute paper has passed by and still you were unable to do it, your 2 questions will be, 2 answers will be automatically submitted, and for the rest answers it will be written as not attempted. So you will be evaluated for that 2 answers only. So please be very careful for the steady internet, and your mobile should be fully charged. Okay, so all the best students. I hope you will be attempting this weekly test in how I have showed you in this video. Thank you.